Okay, so I recorded this look how long ago? Last week, I think. And I was gonna get it up that same week. However, every time I would go to edit it, I was disgusted with myself. Like, I didn't like the video. So I actually like how this turned out way better. And this is not a beginner's look at all, but I'm gonna explain it so that you can understand what I did to do what I did. Do you get what I'm saying? You don't have to make it this dramatic, but you can just follow the steps still, because I'll explain it so that you understand to an extent to be able to do this. So the first thing that I'm doing is taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is so old I probably shouldn't be using it, but I'm using it as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm making sure that everything is blended out really smoothly so that the eyeshadow has a really seamless base to blend. So next I'm taking that black eyeshadow from the Morphe palette, and I'm taking a like small brush. I don't really know what you would call that, to be completely honest with you. And I'm just packing it on over my eyelid, like directly over my eyelid. So right where my crease starts is where I'm stopping. And the reason this one is so much more dramatic than the first time I did the smoky eye look was because I put this too far. I packed on the black eyeshadow way too far. So I put it way too close to my eyebrow when it really didn't have to be that close. So the next thing that I'm doing is taking that orange color from the Tarteist palette, and I'm putting it around where the black ends. And I'm doing this just so that I can blend out the edges of the black and not have it look so harsh. So one of the tips that I would give to someone doing makeup in general, whether it be on yourself or someone else, is to hold the tools with a very light hand. I feel like when you hold things with a lighter hand, you have more control over them and things just come out neater. So yeah, as you can see, I'm holding the brush pretty far away from the bristles. And I'm also moving in like windshield wiper motions, very small windshield wiper motions, and in circles too. I feel like that gives you more of an... I swear by circles, actually. I love circles when I'm doing my makeup. I go in circles with my foundation brush. If you'll probably see that here. But I feel like circles give it a like really airbrush effect. Like, it just makes it look so, I don't know, like, you know. And also, please do not step out of the house doing a smoky eye for the first time if you've never done it before. You need to sit at that table and practice that smoky eye until you get it right, until you get that blending on point. Because you do not need to be leaving this house looking like who done it and why, okay? I said this house like we live together, but you get the point. Yeah, the first time that I did this, it was not this dramatic, but I actually don't mind this because my lashes are super dramatic here, so it kind of fits. It works out. So I recorded this like 2 weeks ago, and the first time that I did it, I didn't like it because when I was talking to the camera, like I was talking to the camera while I was recording, and I just sounded so stupid. Like I didn't like the way I sounded. So I noticed that I like voiceovers better. So if you guys could just bear with me until I get the hang of this thing, everybody will be happy, okay? I promise. Another major key when doing your makeup is make sure that you blend out everything, literally, like everything. I prefer to use brushes when blending out my makeup. Sometimes I'll use a beauty blender to get that like last touch, but although brushes are more work than a beauty blender in my opinion, I feel like brushes are the better option. I don't know, for some reason I strayed away from using beauty blenders like consistently. So but then again, if you're a beginner and you want to know, should I get brushes or should I get a beauty blender? Usually I feel like beginners go for beauty blenders anyway because it looks easier, and it kind of is. So what my point in saying this was to say you better get yourself a beauty blender for that baking, because I don't know about you, but I don't like the way that I bake with a brush. I prefer to damp a beauty blender and put it in my setting powder and put it on my face, because look at that. Boom. Just like that. Straight like that. Straight like that. Also, you know what, y'all? My grandma said that I should be wearing a nice blouse when I record, but I'm gonna let you know right now, I'm not gonna do that because one, I like my t-shirts, and two, I'm not about to get makeup on a nice blouse. Like, are you crazy? She must be crazy. So this part coming up right here, I included to let y'all know that I did in fact record myself putting on the bottom eyeliner, but I didn't realize it wouldn't be in the camera view. Also though, I'm not good at putting on bottom eyeliner because I don't like wearing it, so I don't do it often. I used to do it when I first started doing my makeup at like 13, and then I realized it made my eyes look too small, so I stopped doing it. That's why it looks so bad, because I'd never do it. I included this part of me taking off my lipstick because I just wanted to let y'all know that I actually do not like most lip colors on me. I feel like they don't look right on my skin color. I don't know what it is really. Maybe it's my lips, I'm not sure, but usually I'll wear lip gloss because it's what I'm comfortable with and I think it looks best on me. So just a little disclaimer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed it and I am enjoying it right now. And I think I'm actually about to film another look. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna design though. Okay? This is so cute. Period poo. You can like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. I love the way this turned out. Bye.